Welcome. We're going to do a 10-minute chair yoga set. For those of us who are dealing with an elbow injury or complex regional pain syndrome, sometimes it's best to do a yoga practice seated in a chair. Become less fatigued. You can do poses in an easeful way and listen to your body. I do want to point out, if you have any restrictions from a provider, your surgeon, your pain specialist, your occupational therapist, your physical therapist, if there are any restrictions on what you can or cannot do, follow those restrictions for yourself. And as we're moving through the stretches, listen to your body, back out of anything if you're experiencing pain, do the best you can. We will do stretches focusing on the upper body. We know that if we have some limitation in one side of our body, the other side of the body is reaching and grabbing and lifting and doing a lot of the work for us, and it can tire. So we want to do the stretching for our healthier side as well as for our limited side. Getting that limited side into the movements to increase your feelings of well-being, to hopefully help with range of motion, and to reduce pain. So here we go. We will start out with stretching the neck. So inhale, gaze towards the sky. Exhale, chin down towards chest. Inhale, gaze towards the sky. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Coming back to neutral. Inhale, turning the head one direction. Exhale, coming center. Inhale, opposite direction. Exhale, center. Inhale. Center. Inhale. Exhale, center. Last time. Exhale, center. And exhale, center. This next one, we are going to be bringing our ear towards our shoulder. So you can stay just as you are with hands to the thighs. You can choose to put hands at hips. You can dangle your arms towards the sides of your chair. Or you can have your arms kind of hanging out in a V-type shape. It will enhance the stretch the more your arms are down or out at your sides. But again, listen to your body. Perfectly fine to keep your hands on your thighs or at your hips. Do what's most easeful for you today. So go ahead and inhale, lifting tall. And exhale, left ear towards left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, right ear to right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, left ear, left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, right ear, right shoulder. Inhale, center. Now this last time we're going to spend a few moments. So exhale, left ear, left shoulder, and just stay and breathe. You might play with bringing your head up or down, just on your own, gentle, playful movements, or staying perfectly still as you breathe, your choice. Inhale back to center, and exhale the right ear to the right shoulder. Again, we're going to hang out here, breathing. staying still if you choose, or moving at an easeful stretching as you breathe, breathing into the sensation in your body. And inhale, coming back to center. Great job, yogis. Okay, we're going to do a couple for the shoulders here. So go ahead and inhale the shoulders up towards those ears. Exhale, sliding the shoulders down the back. Inhale, shoulders coming up front and towards the ears. Exhaling, sliding down the back. Inhaling, shoulders up to ears. Exhale, sliding down the back. We're going to do 2 more in this direction, and then we're going to switch to the opposite direction. Breathing into the body, and as you come down, you can go ahead and switch directions. Shoulders coming up in the back, and forward, exhaling. So it's like you're pinching the shoulders in the back. Exhale, they're sliding down the front of the body. Inhale, coming up. Shoulders to ears. Exhale, down. Last time. Great job, everybody. And exhale, bringing the shoulders to neutral. Go ahead and shake it out. Shake out your fingers. Shake out your hands. Up and down, side to side. Flip them over as best you can, side to side. Shaking out those arms. One arm, another arm. Great job. All right, so we're going to do a little bit of swimming here for the shoulders. So, like you're in a pool and you're doing the backstroke. So, inhale, arm comes up. Follow your hand with your gaze, exhaling down the back. Remember, following your body, doing what's within your personal restrictions or limitations, exhaling down. If any pain occurs, back out of it, but inhaling up. And exhaling down, breathing, listening to your body. When you come down, we're going to switch sides. So inhaling the left arm up and forward, following that hand with your gaze, exhaling down the back. As you can see, this is my side with a limitation, but I'm doing as best I can today as I exhale down the back. Like I said, it's good to stretch out the body on both sides. Inhaling up. Exhaling down the back. It's good to stretch out those shoulders. They're helping us with our elbow injury. Inhaling up. This will be our last time. So really breathing into those shoulders, exhaling down, and coming to neutral. We're going to do something fun called the Sufi Grind. This is usually if you're sitting on the floor. So go ahead and, as I was telling you, to be at the front of your chair. I don't want you to fall. So be nice and seated on your sits bones in the middle of your chair. Hands can be on your thighs, can be on your hips, wherever's comfortable and easeful for you. And we're literally going to sort of grind on our sits bones as if we were a mortar or a baker grinding up batter in chocolate chip cookies. So go ahead and inhale forward and exhale coming back, rounding your spine. This is your own movement, so do what feels good. Inhale forward, exhale back. You might find that right shoulder wants to come forward. The left shoulder wants to go back. It's up to you. This is playful. Inhaling forward, exhaling backwards. Grinding at that sits bone, moving at the hips, bending and flexing that spine. What feels good and juicy for your body today? We're going to go the other direction, so exhaling in the back, inhaling as you come forward. Listening to your body, playing with the pose, breathing. Inhale forward, exhale back. A couple times at your own pace. Next time you're at the back of the body, great job yogis, come on up, neutral spine, center of your chair again, feet to the floor, both feet grounded into the floor, sitting tall on those sits bones. We're going to do a little side to side, so side bends. Lifting up with your left hand, inhale, and exhale, bending towards the right, C curve. Inhale, the arm comes up. And now you're exhaling as you bend towards the left. Inhaling, switching sides. And exhaling, bending to the right. Your gaze can look up at your left elbow if you choose. Inhale, switching sides. Exhale, curving to the left. Gaze can be up at the right elbow. Inhale, arms are switching sides. Now we're going to hang out in this side for a moment and breathe. So bending toward your right, gaze coming up to the left elbow if you choose. And rather than switching sides, just taking some nice deep breaths into the side of your body. Breathe into the side stretch. With your next inhale, coming up, switching sides, we're going to do the same thing, hanging out as we bend towards the left, looking up to the right elbow if you choose, and breathing into the right side of your body. Taking some slow, deep breaths, feeling the stretch. Come on back, lifting the arms up, coming into neutral. Excellent job today, yogis. Go ahead and inhale the arms out to the side, up towards the sky, palms touching as best they can, exhaling. Hands coming forward to your heart center or wherever is possible. Inhale, arms sweeping out and up, reaching towards the sky. Exhale, palms coming together, heart center. Final time together. Inhale, arms up, reaching out, up towards the sky. Palms touch or whatever's possible for you. Exhale, your palms come together as you bring your hands to heart center wherever you can in front of your body. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste, friends.